In this demonstration, we will represent first the example of digital twin with three-click approach. So this use case has used this three-click approach method for creating a digital twin. So you can see this demonstration which was represented in the NFM's presentation by Mariana, and here she represented how you can create the three-click digital twin. So these are the slides represent different steps need to be followed while creating the digital twin. So click 1 is to importing this CAD model. Click 2 is to mount the sensor on the physical model and on the PLM module, and the click 3 to configure IoT. In case of a Certis, it is to integrate with the TWS acquisition system. So this is an example which is being used in the Certis use case, and afterwards we will see how you can deal in the PLM module this three-click approach. So this next slides will give you an brief overview of PLM module, its user interface, how you can import the step model. So in this slide you can see you can create a project by importing the step model. The step model is imported by either by inside the by creating a breakdown element or creating a new project. So here I am showing an example where the step file is imported by means of creating a new project, and it will create automatic breakdown structure. Once the project is created, then you can see the automatic breakdown structure under that project. So in order to mount the sensor in the PLM module, you need to create a folder under that project, and that project needs to have a properties which represent the sensor properties. So we will create these properties under reference data, and the reference data we will create the aggregate structure properties, and that aggregate structure properties will populate the data from the sensors. You can see in this slides aggregate structure properties are already created for the lathe, and these are created under reference data settings, and once these properties are created, you can configure IoT. In case of a Certis, it is a TWS acquisition system which is integrated with PLM module, and once all this three-click approach is implemented, you can see the real-time data in PLM module. This is all about how you can create a digital twin using three-click approach.